Hi friends! Today we are going to be reviewing adjectives. Remember, an adjective describes a noun. So we learned about what a noun was. A noun is a person, place, or thing. An adjective is going to tell you more about that noun. They're description words. They're very good words to use in your writing. If you want to get your point across more, it really creates the vision in your mind of what you're talking about. When you're reading a story, the adjectives are going to help you picture what is happening in the story. So here are some describing words that you can use that are all examples of adjectives. So an adjective can tell you what color something is. So some examples of that are red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Any color, what color is it? That's a question that adjectives answer. Also, what size? Is it tall? Is it small? Is it big? Small? Those are all examples of adjectives. How many are there? That's another a question that adjectives answer. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 1,000. Those are all examples of adjectives. It answers the question, how a noun looks. Is it bright? Is it pretty? Is it dull? Those are all examples of adjectives. Also, how something feels. Is it cold? Is it hot? Is it smooth? Is it bumpy? Those are examples of adjectives as well. How does something sound? Is it loud? Is it quiet? Those are adjectives. How does something taste? Is it sweet? Is it sour? Is it salty? Those are adjectives as well. And what shape is it? Is it round? Is it square? Is it rectangle? So when you write about something, or if you read about something, and it has these type of describing words in it, it helps you to picture the object or the person or whatever you're talking about in your story. It helps you make a clearer picture of it in your mind. Now that we have reviewed what an adjective is, let's take a look at the words that I have here and let's decide if they are an adjective or not an adjective. Remember, an adjective describes a noun. They are describing words. Let's take a look at the first word. The first word is fast. Is fast an adjective? Yes, it is an adjective, such as in the sentence, the boy runs fast. Fast is just a describing word. Let's look at the next word. The next word is shoe. Is shoe an adjective or not an adjective? No, shoe is not an adjective. Let's next take a look at the word run. Is run an adjective? No, run is not an adjective. Now let's take a look at the word phone. Is phone an adjective? No, phone is not an adjective. How about the word beach? Is beach an adjective? No, beach is not an adjective. How about purple? Is purple an adjective? Yes, purple is an adjective. It is a describing word. How about the word jump? Is jump an adjective? Jump is not an adjective. Great job, friends. Now we're going to take a look at some sentences. We are going to decide which word in the sentence is an adjective. So for example, let's take a look at our first sentence. The first sentence says, the dog ate a large bone after he had a small snack. Which words are adjectives? Remember, adjectives are describing words. The first adjective that I see is the word large. Large is a describing word. The second word that I see that is an adjective is the word small. Small is another describing word. It is telling you how big the bone is and how small the snack is. Great job. Let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 says, did you hear the loud sound coming from the speakers? Which words are adjectives? The word loud is an adjective. It is a describing word. It is telling you how it sounds. The third sentence says, I have 1 basketball and 2 footballs at my house. Which words are adjectives? The adjectives in this sentence are the words 1 and 2. Both of these words answer the question, how many? So they're telling you that there's 1 basketball, 2 footballs. Those are both describing words. The last sentence says, her glass of water had 5 ice cubes, which made it so cold. Which words are adjectives? The word 5 is an adjective. Just like in the sentence before, it is telling you how many ice cubes. The other word that is an adjective is the word cold. Cold is also an adjective. It is telling you how the water feels. Did you get all of those right? That was great practice. Good job, friends. Now that you've had some practice with adjectives, why don't you practice at home? Find something around your house or a person, or maybe even pick one of your favorite places and write down different adjectives to describe them. Or go ahead and write your own story. Decide what adjectives you could add so that the picture is clear to the reader. I hope you enjoyed doing adjectives today. I had a fun time teaching you guys. Remember, make sure you put lots of describing words and adjectives in your writing. See you soon.